Hello? Why does it start with English? Do they say something like that in French? Très joli profil. Très is very, like très bien, right? Joli, guessing joyful, very like fun.
Jolie means pretty or nice.
Profile. J'aime beaucoup tes photos. I like the photos a lot, probably. Si.
Si means if in French.
Si j'aime mon profil, peux t'intéresser. Moi, signé. Moi, signé. So if you're interested in my profile, text me.
Jamais means ever. Mon means my. Profil means profile. Peut means can. T'intéresser means interest you. So the whole segment means if ever my profile can interest you.
So poetic. Sinon, j'étais sauté de belle. He finds something beautiful, possibly. Rencontré sur appli. I? Something beautiful on this app. Or something. This one I didn't understand at all.
Sinon means otherwise. Je te souhaite means I wish you. De belles rencontres means nice meetings or great encounters. And sur l'appli means on the app.
Nice.